is Fuzzy. Okay, today I'm going to do a review on the 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil. This stuff's awesome, man. It lubricates, it penetrates rust, it cleans. It is a petroleum product, which is basically oil, right? But I like to do door hinges and toys. Let's go do that. FYI, when you cut this little top off right here, don't squeeze it. All right, so you just put a little bit on here like that, you know, rub it off and throw some inside there and let it run down the hinge and, you know, open the door a few times like that and let it work in. Make sure you don't drip anything on the floor and no more squeaks. Works really super. Okay, for example, toys. Sometimes things squeak, sometimes they do whatever, right? And they got to be lubricated and so on and so forth. Box won't lift up. So what happened is the rams inside here are plastic. And he tried to lift it up so hard that it broke this pin in the back. So I had to replace that pin. But I said, okay, I can fix that. I know just the thing. And it's called the 3-in-1 oil, right? Okay, let's get this box up and just see how hard it is without, hopefully I don't break a pin. Okay, you see how hard that was? Holy cow. Now, let's put some on here and see how it goes. And I just rub it up and down there a little bit. See how that goes? Let's get this down. Oh, yeah, oh, there we go. Now, look at that. Up and down like crazy. Now he can work it without breaking the pin. All right, great stuff.